Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. You can see today it is a ThredUp mystery unboxing. So if you enjoy boxings, you're in the right place. Make sure that you subscribe because I love unboxings and I film lots of unboxings on this channel. Guys, today it is shoes. I got 15 pairs of shoes from ThredUp. The cost of this box is $90. This one came from Georgia. And I do have another box with 15 pairs of shoes that came from Phoenix. That video will be coming out very, very soon. But yeah, I thought I better get into these boxes because you guys know I love shoes. It is my very favorite thing in the whole wide world. Shoes always fit. And I have kept shoes that I have received in my mystery boxes. The last pair of shoes I kept from ThredUp were a pair of Fit Flop slip-on tennis shoes. They are my favorite pair of shoes right now. Super comfortable. So you guys, I'm always hoping to find a pair for myself, but truly I'm hoping that I can sell a few of these for profit in my Poshmark closet. Okay, so here is my box. Oops. Okay guys, I dropped the box. Here it is. It's still sealed. It's got my invoice. I know it says $90. This is what the box, this is so heavy. I'm gonna put this on the floor, but this is what the box looks like after I've dropped it. Lots and lots of air pillows inside this box. And the first thing right on top is a pair of Adidas. Gosh, I know the lights are bright. I'm filming at night. Normally I don't do that. Normally I film in front of a window. Here is the Adidas. Now these look, I got a pair very, very similar Superstars or All-Stars, I think, in my last box, but these are a little bit bigger, bright white, classic Adidas tennis shoes. I don't know if these are leather, but they look like they're about my size, 8.5. Are they 8? Okay, they're an 8.5. They're in really good shape. They have been worn, but in really good condition. I like those. Okay, next pair of shoes is a pair of pumps. They are kind of a nude, almost a blush color. Peep toe, patent leather. I don't know if they're real patent. Let me see. Maybe they're man-made material because these are the brand Kelly and Katie. And I know they sell these at DSW. They don't cost much. I don't know what they resell for. I've never ever tried Kelly and Katie. These are a size 9. So hopefully somebody needs these. They're pretty classic. All right, next up is, okay, not too bad. These are Kate Spade. These are a cute shoe. They're just, I think they're a little bit dated. Let me know what you think about these. These are a brown suede. They are a leather bottom and they look a little bit, they look worn. They look well worn, but yeah, there are some dings. I might be able to polish up the heels, but I don't know. That's what they look like. Kate Spade. Okay, I think I'm happy about these. This is what they look like. They are a pointy toe pump, slingback. Ooh, there looks to be, there's a ding there. Yeah, there's a ding in the suede. These are not expensive shoes. These are Zara. Can you see the Zara label there? Zara. And I like how Zara shoes do really, really well for me. And the plastic on these has not discolored. That often happens where the plastic turns yellow. The only problem with these is there is a little bit of, it's almost like the nap in the suede is missing right here. These are a size 39. So, okay, I like these. These are probably my favorite so far. There's so much paper. There's polka dots everywhere in my box. This is the next pair of boots in my box. These are funky. That's what I can tell you. Very, very funky. It feels like a faux fur. And these are Australia Luxe Collective. You can see that on the sole there. Australia Luxe Collective. I don't know. Do you know? If you know, leave it in the comments below. But they do not feel like a great quality boot. They feel like, honestly, okay, I don't know, but they don't feel great. They don't feel like the Luxe Collective. But let me look inside and see if there's anything inside. This is a US size 8, made in China. Yeah, and there's nothing, is there even a, oh, it's a faux shearling inside. They're in good shape. These could become mine because those look like they would be fun to wear. Okay, next up is a wedge sandal. And these are aerosols. Aerosols. They're in good, they're in like new condition. That's the soles on them. Like maybe they've never been worn, US size 9. These probably will not sell until the springtime, so I may hold off on listing these. We'll see about that. Okay, I love these shoes. I own this exact pair of shoes. These are a leather slip-on sneaker. They're a perforated black leather sneaker. They are by the brand Vince. Can you see that back there? Let me see if you can see it on the inside. It is black embossed on black. These are awesome sneakers. And I don't see the size right offhand. That looks like my size though. There's a little wear. You can see a little wear on the heels there, but I love mine. Someone else is going to love these. The next pair are a pair of loafers, and these are in a burgundy maroon color. These are cute. These are a suede leather loafer. They need some shape to them. They have been crushed in this box, but they're in good shape. They do have a little dirt on the bottom of them. Easy to clean. They look like they're a larger size. They're a size 10, so that's a good size. These are great for the current season. Yeah, burgundy suede, and they are, did I tell you the brand? Naturalizer. They are Naturalizer, so okay. The next pair are black booties. They're cheap. I can tell by feeling them. They are cheap. This is what they look like. That's what they look like. They do have a zip up the back. They have a branded zipper. The brand is A+. Let me see on the inside. Again, it's black on black. So I may not list these. I hope these surprise me and they're worth something, but I don't think they are. And anyway, so A+ black booties. All right, and next up is a pair of sandals. These are Steve Madden. They're in good condition. They're a leather sandal. They're just a sandal, so they're probably not going to sell right now, but they're in very good condition. I would pick these up at the thrift store if I saw them. Steve Madden does pretty good for me. What size are you? Size 9. And they are a leather shoe, so okay, I like these. Okay, this next pair, it's got a flaw on it, and I'll see if I can show you this flaw. Right there, it looks like it's got like black paint or ink, but also right there on the toe. So that is disappointing because I would not wear these, but it could possibly come out, but it actually looks like it might be ink. So yeah, this is a rehab project, and maybe it's not worth doing because the resale on 9 West is not dynamite, but this is what they look like. And they look like they're a good size. They're a size 9. They are a leather shoe. They're called the Lake and Lander is the name of the shoe. You know what, personally, I like this brand, 9 West. I wear this brand, I buy this brand. They make lots of cute shoes, and that's why I own so many. That's why it's disappointing. And I don't think that happened on the way here. I think ThredUp never even tried to sell these. They just sent them to me. So I'm not happy about them. I'm wondering, this is a brand I'm not familiar with. I'm wondering if these aren't a vintage shoe. Fratelli Rossetti. They feel amazing. This leather is really nice, and you can see they do have the leather sole on them. They are made in Italy, and these are a size 8 medium. So this is my size. I don't know. I mean, they're cute enough, I guess. Brown leather. Fratelli Rossetti. So here's another learning opportunity. Thank you very much, ThredUp. Okay, I got another pair of sandals. And the good news is sandal season is coming. These are in good shape. They are called Trotters. Can you see that? Trotters. And these look like a comfort shoe. They're in excellent shape, like never worn shape. They look like they're about a size 7, 7.5. And they also have hook and loop there. So yeah, that's nice. These are great. Okay, I do have some boots. I see some boots. These boots make me happy because they're a leather boot. They're a suede leather knee boot, and they're a pull-on. They do not have any zip or anything like that. And this is what the sole looks like. And they're a size 37. Let me see if I can see. I don't see, you guys. I'm gonna have to get a flashlight, use my phone, take a picture inside, but these feel like a really nice boot. Oh my gosh. So the lining on this boot is plush. This is really nice. It's almost like a velvet fleece in there. This is really nice. So stick around for the recap. I'll figure out who these boots are and I'll let you know on the screen who these are. So this is the final pair, and okay, I'm happy about these. This is a pair of Sorel boots. These are a brown suede Sorel boot, kind of an ankle boot. So they look pretty good. Oh, dirty. One shoe is much dirtier than the other, but really, really easy to clean with just a brush, and that is probably this dirt is probably why these shoes ended up in this box, because yeah, ThredUp doesn't sell dirty clothes or shoes. They throw them in these DIY boxes. So let's see, what size are you? A size 9, that's a great size. Okay, so I'm happy about the Sorel boots. You might have already guessed, I'm happiest about the boots that I received. So the Sorel boots are a win. I think these will do really well in my closet. You guys have seen all of the comps, so you know before I even know what I can expect to make from this box, but I do feel like the Sorels are a win. Okay, I'm happy to report the black suede knee boots are Anthropologie. I have not looked these boots up yet, so I don't know what they're going to comp for, but I'm happy that they are a good brand. I could tell they were something because they feel amazing. This is nice leather. The lining is really luxurious. So yeah, I'm happy about these. And then I got these A+ black booties, these vegan faux leather. Look at the shape of these. These are, yeah, that shape is, I'm not impressed with these. You know what, I do recycle the polka dotted tissue paper. I'll stuff these and see what they look like. If I might be able to get $10 for these because there's no holes, little wear on them, but yeah, I'm not impressed with those boots. All right, the last pair of boots, there's only 4 pairs of boots, and these are the Australia Luxe Collective boot, and these just don't feel like much. They kind of feel like an Alibaba shoe, and they do have that little plate on the back of them. They're funky. I like funky. I know people on Poshmark like funky, but I should be able to get my money back. The price per piece in this box is about $6, and I'm certain I can sell these for more than $6. The naturalizers turn out to be one of the nicer things in the box, the maroon naturalizers. The Vince sneakers, I like these. These are a win as well. The Zara shoes I'm happy about. They always bring attention to my closet, and they tend to sell quickly, not for a lot of money, but they sell quickly. It's, you know what, I'm starting to think that I'm more happy about this box than I am disappointed. It's starting to sound that way. Okay, so yeah, Zara's a win. Tell me something good about these Fratella Rossetti. The leather is so buttery soft that it leads me to believe that this is a high-end shoe. They look like they're vintage shoes to me, and I have no knowledge of vintage, but we'll see about these. So just wish me some luck on these 9 West shoes. They need some TLC. The aerosols are in like new condition, so I'm confident I can sell these in the springtime. The Steve Madden sandals, ditto. These are going to do just fine in the springtime. I will probably get these listed because I do know that there are people that wear sandals year-round. So these are in great shape, and okay, I'm happy about these too. Next up are the Kate Spade shoes. How do I feel about these? How do you feel about these? Guys, I feel like they're dated. I think these would be a nice career wear, office wear shoe. When people go back to work, maybe these shoes will move, or maybe these are dynamite and I just don't know. The comfort shoes, the Trotters, these are in great condition. These will certainly sell in the springtime. The Kelly and Katie shoe, they did not retail for much when they were brand new, and they're dirty. So that's a project. The Adidas, I'll take them. And literally, I would like to take these and keep them for myself, but you know what? I don't think I'm gonna be able to because I think this box is mediocre at best. And I think I'm going to have to take every good quality, desirable, trendy shoe and list it for sale just to double my money on Poshmark. I might be wrong. I hope I'm wrong. But so the experience is always fun. I've had very, very good luck with the shoe boxes from ThredUp. So you guys know I have another one sitting in my garage. I will be unboxing it soon once I get these shoes cleaned up and listed, and I hope it's better. Guys, thank you so much for joining me once again. Please be certain to give the video a thumbs up. Hey, and I wanted to give a great big shout out. Happy birthday to Donna, happy birthday to Holly, happy birthday to Lisa, and happy birthday to Ginger. And a great big happy birthday to Miss Purple Potato. Guys, if your birthday is in December, make sure and let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to shout you out. I know we December babies get robbed, and we're going to celebrate this entire month. So happy birthday to all the December babies. You rock. Thanks a bunch for spending part of your day with me. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings.